I think we have all of you who needs to join. Okay, tell me, what is specialized knowledge? What do you mean by specialized knowledge? क्या लगता है सुन के ही?
The I personally feel that the specialized knowledge is like when we understand that we are not the body, we are not the emotion, and we are not, and लाइक मतलब हम अपने आपको समझने लगे एंड वी डोंट बॉदर कि लोग क्या सोचते हैं यार एंड ऐसा नहीं मतलब कि कंप्लीटली लोग क्या सोचते हैं ऐसा लेकिन लाइक वी अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट वी एंड गिल्ट नहीं फील मतलब मैं बोल नहीं समझा नहीं पा रही क्या बोलना चाह रही आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड दीदी मैं वो आपकी तरह समझा नहीं पा रही लेकिन आई होप
लेकिन
आप
आज
समझ गए
थोड़ा
मैं क्या कहना
प्रैक्टिकल
चाहती
नॉलेज
हूँ
पे हम जा रहे हैं, थोड़ा प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज पे. इट्स नॉट टू मच ऑफ स्पिरिचुअलिटी, लिटिल बिट ऑफ स्पिरिचुअलिटी, लिटिल बिट ऑफ प्रैक्टिकल अंडरस्टैंडिंग. Yes,
ओके
Bipasha, you wanted to share something?
अमर मुझे लग रहा है दीदी वो अम, आप जैसे मेडिटेशन में स्पेशलिस्ट है.
Hmm.
मुझे लग रहा है यही है जो स्पेशल यू हैव सम काइंड ऑफ नॉलेज बट यू आर स्पेशल अबाउट दैट. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे
Hmm.
आप मेडिटेशन में है कोई
Hmm.
और कुछ भी डॉक्टर में कुछ साइट में स्पेशल है ऐसा मुझे लग रहा है.
Hmm. 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 Correct. 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 I agree. Okay. So today we are talking about a little bit of practicality, and yes, specialized knowledge. यहाँ पे क्या है कि here Napoleon Hill, वो बोल रहे, he's saying that many people throughout the life they learn general knowledge. स्कूल में क्या करते हैं, जनरल जो है, ये सब्जेक्ट ये सब्जेक्ट ये सब्जेक्ट ये सब्जेक्ट सीख के बड़े हो जाते हैं. ओके. एंड ज्यादातर टाइम ये जनरल नॉलेज किसी काम का नहीं आता है. मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम स्पेशलाइज्ड नॉलेज काम में आता है. लाइक व्हाट शी सेड, आई दिस इज माय स्पेशलिटी, इसी पे मैं काम कर रही हूँ, इसी पे मैं अपने आप को ग्रो कर रही हूँ. Someone is growing in some other way. Okay. So here it's very important, especially Mampi, you know uh, you worry so much about education, right? This book talks about all the people who are who are school dropouts or never went to school or went to school only for 3 months. Okay. And Henry Ford was also an uneducated man. And like, लेकिन उसमें वो specialized knowledge था, उसको पता था उसको क्या चाहिए. Exactly, he knew what he wants in life. Okay. He was not like, ठीक है, पेरेंट्स ने बोल दिया पढ़ाई करो, पेरेंट्स ने बोल दिया ग्रेजुएशन करो, पेरेंट्स ने बोल दिया अभी यूनिवर्सिटी जाओ. ऐसा कुछ नहीं था, उसको exactly पता था. Okay, what he wanted. And what happened is that there was there was a lawsuit against him, and he was called in the court. And the lawyer started asking that, "Oh, he's a foolish man, how can he take care of such a big, who is Henry Ford, right? You know who is Henry Ford? The person who started the Ford
यस दीदी
engine, the Ford गाड़ी जो जिसने स्टार्ट किया,
हाँ
फोर्ड
हाँ
गाड़ी के बारे में पता है? He is the
यस
person
दीदी
behind that, Henry Ford. and
यस
and like he was like called, and the lawyer started asking, "Okay, you don't know anything, what are you taking care of a company, and how come you're taking care of a company? कुछ पढ़ाई नहीं है, an uneducated and worthless person." ऐसे करके समझाने का कोशिश किया थ्रू से, "Okay, we will ask you general questions, general knowledge पूछने लगा. He started asking general knowledge. And what is this, what is that, what is the name of this country, or what is the capital of this country, and all this. And he said, "Please stop asking foolish questions to me." He said, this is what he said. He said, "Ki, if I should really want to answer the foolish question you have just asked, or any of the other questions you have been asking me, let me remind you that I have a row of electric push buttons on my desk, and by pushing the right button, I can summon to my aid men who can answer any question I desire to ask concerning the business to which I am devoting most of my efforts. Now, will you kindly tell me why I should clutter my mind with general knowledge for the purpose of being able to answer questions when I have men around me who can supply any knowledge I require? Okay, and that's why he's talking about two things. One is here he's saying it's so important, Napoleon Hill, that mastermind create karo. सब कुछ तुमको सीखने की, you don't have to learn everything. Either take good mentors जहां से तुम सीख पाओ, specialized knowledge ले लो, या फिर create masterminds. Means अगर तुम्हारे पास बहुत पैसे है, तुम ऐसा एक ग्रुप बनाओ जिनके पास वो specialized knowledge है, जो तुमको वो जो whatever you want, they will be able to supply. Okay, and he says, another thing, friends, here he's talking about the difference between teamwork and masterminds. Teamwork is something where people work together, but there is no passion, there is no joy, there is no common goal. Sometimes they only come together for their own selfish need. Okay, for their own selfish need, they come together. That's all. Okay, sometimes what happens, you'll see in a band, they fight among each other. Band, use a music band, have you heard? There is a lot of fight among the band people within the band. But just because, they have to earn money, they somehow manage and they come together and they play the band. Okay, so what he's saying that we are not talking about having people like this for a teamwork. Even in organizations, आप देखो कुछ भी करना है, देखो जहां पे यूनिटी ही नहीं है, कॉमन पर्पस कॉमन पर्पस की वजह से I remember like in my previous organization, wow, my mentor was like Sensei Daisaku Ikeda, so awesome, he has so practical knowledge. वो बोल रहे कि the organization, the spiritual organization Sokakai जो था ना, उसमें भी तो बहुत सारे disunity होते थे, right? There was a lot of disunity, and like people would have different thought processes and everything. And he would say that two things. He would say, you might have disagreements, but tum aaye kyun is? Why did you come to this group? What was the reason behind this group? Coming to this organization. One was that you want to attain enlightenment. Second was you want to serve people. So for that, you have to remember your goals. One is when you have a motive of serving people, and when you all come to the understanding that we want to serve people, then your goal is same. So agar disunity bhi hua, you will manage because your goal is same, to serve people, attain enlightenment. And third point, what he's always used to say is that make the mentor this, connect to the mentor. All of you connect to the mentor. Means kabhi kabhi नीचे के लोगों में बहुत सारे disunity होते हैं ना, but he says that focus on the mentor, कि mentor के साथ चलो, connect your heart to the mentor and work on behalf of the mentor. So disunity ho bhi, then also you will say कि नहीं, I am working for my mentor. Even if there is disunity, I will ensure that my mentor does not suffer. My mentor's organization does not suffer. मेरे गुरु की organization ना suffer करे. मेरे mentor का goal fulfill हो, because मेरे mentor का goal मुझे fulfill करना ही है. This is how he trained us so well कि हमको इतना हमारा we used to have issues. As for example, I was a leader. Many leaders used to come together and we had to decide कि क्या करना है. बहुत जगह में दो लीडर इस पे बोलेंगे, दो लीडर बोलेंगे no, I think I agree on this. And here also our mentor gave such beautiful, everything पे उनके पास guidance है. He has written so many volumes. He says that always then go for a vote. Never use ego कि मैंने ये propose किया, ये क्यों नहीं हुआ. Okay, he would say कि whenever there is a problem like this, you should always go for a vote and say that, okay, there is 5 people and 3 people agrees to it, 2 people don't agree. So 2 people agree something else, 3 people agree on this. Oh, then what is the majority? 3 people are agreeing on this. So even if those 2 people don't agree on that action, but those two people have to abide by the action. This was his training. So इसीलिए बोल रहे कि don't go into understanding teamwork. Future maybe in your workplace and everywhere also you can use the same funda. What is my goal? Focus on the goal. Then you will not be like selfish, only working for yourself or something. Think about greater goal. What is the greater goal? How can I serve the company? How can the company grow? Okay. And also in organizations like here yahan pe you people are growing now. There are so many volunteers and everything, and I think in future many volunteers also, organization agar grow karega, volunteers bhi grow karega. Same thought. What is the common purpose? Purpose is to serve here, huh? And to attain enlightenment. ये ग्रुप का पर्पस क्या है? सर्व एंड टू अटेन एनलाइटनमेंट. डिसयूनिटी होता है तो सिर्फ मुझ पे फोकस करो और सुनो कि क्या मैं बोल रही हूँ. उस एंड अगर मेरा गोल फुलफिल करना है, because my goal is what? My goal is not selfish, right? It is to serve people and so that everybody become happy. Then focus on that goal. Then जो छोटा, जो lower ego होता है ना एक दूसरे में, वो ना that will get solved. So this is how beautifully he explains that. And this can also be used in other small, छोटा पार्टी होता है, ग्रुप होता है, कितना कुछ होता है. बंगाली एसोसिएशन होता है, कितने डिसयूनिटी होते हैं ना. क्यों होता है ज्यादातर डिसयूनिटी? ईगो में होता है कि मुझे प्रूव करना है हम बेटर है, किसी और को प्रूव करना है वो बेटर है. बेटर बेटर के चक्कर में फोकस जो है, कॉमन गोल है, उस पे फोकस करो, वो चला जाता है. राइट? सो इफ यू यूज दिस ब्यूटिफुल कॉन्सेप्ट कि सेल्फिश नहीं होके ग्रुप में आना है, सेल्फिश नहीं होके ग्रुप में नहीं आना है, हमको ग्रेटर गोल, पर्पस, सेम पर्पस पे काम करना है, वैसा सोच के आना है. देन दैट्स व्हेन अ मास्टरमाइंड, दैट्स हाउ अ ब्यूटीफुल मास्टरमाइंड वर्क्स. Okay. And then now he's giving small examples how all these people were uneducated. थॉमस एडिसन सिर्फ 3 महीने के लिए स्कूल गया था, सिर्फ 3 महीने के लिए, एंड उसने कितने सारे इन्वेंशंस किए. How many inventions he created. Just we think that only school education can really take you to heights. He went to school for 3 months. Our kids are at least I have gone school for at least 6-7 years, 10 years till now. Okay, 7-8 years. Then he says Henry Ford had less than 6th grade in schooling, but he managed to do pretty well by himself. Henry Ford, yeah, sixth grade tak he went. Okay, so that is what he's saying. Einstein, he says that he might be, कि आज के दिनों में अगर आइंस्टाइन को थोड़ा रिसर्च मेडिकल क्लिनिकली प्रूव करना चाहते थे तो उसको शायद अटेंशन डेफिसिट डिसऑर्डर बोलते हैं आइंस्टाइन का. That's what he's saying. That if you now, if in today's world, Einstein would have been tagged as an attention deficit disorder child. Okay, because he was so fluctuating. He didn't have, he was restless. He was fluctuating and everything since childhood. But the moment he got his goal, and he focused on the goal, he attained the goal. That's what he said. And he also said कि यहाँ पे another thing comes. His goal means, did you see, specialized knowledge. उसको समझ में आ गया कि मुझे इसी एरिया में मुझे करना है. It can also be business. You don't always have to be highly educated and do some job or work. You can also just specialize knowledge. मुझे पढ़ाई नहीं करनी है, मुझे बिजनेस के बारे में जानना है. और बिजनेस के बारे में जानने के लिए I gave you the examples of my brother-in-laws. They are not even graduates, but how wealthy they are. They have so, they are just increasing their business day by day. Yeah. So in सब चीजों के लिए what he's saying is that more than general knowledge, in order to really grow rich, specialized knowledge is important. एक एरिया में कुछ एक स्पेशल कर दो और उसमें ही आगे बढ़ने लगो. Okay. And he's saying also, along with specialized knowledge, imagination is also important. Because he said कि आइंस्टाइन ने ज्यादातर डिस्कवरी ना, उन्होंने एकदम लॉजिकली सोच के ऐसे 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 कैसे होगा, ये कैसे होगा, ऐसे करके वो नहीं करते थे ज्यादातर. आइंस्टाइन यूज्ड टू have his inventions or discoveries through imagination. He started imagining. He's saying that, I'll just read it out so that you understand. His famous theories were the result of thought experiment. Thought experiment से आया कि ऐसा होता तो कैसा होता, विजुअल इमेजिन करने लगा कि अच्छा जीवन में ऐसा होगा तो ये होगा तो कैसा हो, ये लाइट ऐसे आएगा तो कैसे आएगा, बहुत ज्यादा दिमाग भी नहीं यहाँ पे. दिस इज वेयर मेडिटेशन कम फ्रेंड्स. दिस इज वेयर द पावर ऑफ विजुअलाइजेशन, मेडिटेशन, इमेजिनेशन, द पावर ऑफ द यूनिवर्स कम्स. बिकॉज यहाँ पे देखो, बहुत सारे लोग साइंटिस्ट माथा मारते रहते हैं एवरी डे. what how are they going to find out this, that, this, some that problem. But Einstein used to just visualize, imagine ये ऐसा होगा तो कैसा होगा. So he's saying experiments that took place inside his mind. So most of the experiments उसके visual mind के अंदर होता था. It is said that the breakthrough which led him to the theory of relativity came not from specialized knowledge of physics or mathematics, but from his ability to imagine what would happen if he were riding a beam of starlight through space. So जो बच्चों जैसा वो imagine कर रहे थे कि what would happen, ability to imagine. He had that ability to imagine what would happen if he were riding on a beam light of starlight through space. Yeah. So, and we are told that don't be kids. But he was a kid. He wanted to visualize, he wanted to imagine aisa kaise hoga. And that's when all these intuitions used to come and the answers used to come to him. Okay. So specialized knowledge के लिए हमको क्या करना है? हमको your own experience, education को बढ़ाना है आपको जिस area में you want to do, especially with your kids also. From now onwards, if you know that okay, my child is good in here, you can start making sure that he gets specialized knowledge in that area. Experience with education available through cooperation of others. Through, as for example, mastermind alliance जैसे, if you are rich, you can afford, then create like this, like Henry Ford, a group of people who can give you that specialized knowledge. आपको जो भी चाहिए वो दे सकता है. And then colleges, universities, यहाँ पे भी specific knowledge, specialized आपको till 10th grade, yes, it is general. After that, it becomes a little specialized, right? किसी को डॉक्टर बनना है, किसी को इंजीनियर बनना है. Starts becoming specialized. Public libraries, agar aapke liye kam padta hai, then you can go to public libraries and special training course. And then it is saying that, another what it talks about is specialized knowledge na kabhi kam nahi hota hai, friends. Okay, when I'm teaching you meditation, I'm also learning myself on a daily basis, more and more whatever I can learn in this area. I really want to learn more. I read books. I keep reading books. So specialized knowledge is not a thing ke ho gaya, सीख लिया हो गया. Specialized knowledge का कभी end नहीं होता है. School खत्म हो गया, university खत्म हो गया, end हो गया, नहीं. If you really want to earn money in life, you also have to have that practical knowledge. इस area में अपने आप को how can I keep making better day by day? Again, he's here, Napoleon Hill says that EI is better than IQ. EI is emotional, EI or EQ, people say. EQ is better than IQ. Do you know what is EQ and what is IQ? इसको क्या पता है? What is EQ?
EQ is emotional quotient
And
and
IQ is?
IQ is intelligence quotient.
हाँ. So बोल रहे कि in the world of, so again, Mampi, it's a beautiful learning for you and all of you. Don't worry too much about IQ. Worry about the EQ. Okay, and it says that EQ people do much better in leadership than people with IQ. Okay, I have seen people, I've heard, I would not say seen, like one of like a person I know, distant friend, Panna's friend, and is his college mate, but that person is doing great and he has a lot of IITians under him in a company. Okay, and he says these IITians are very lazy. उनके मम्मी पापा ने बहुत फोर्स करके उनको घिस घिस के उनको कंपनी में तो डाल दिया है, लेकिन बहुत आईआईटीएंस अभी घुसने के बाद लेजी हो जाते हैं, बिल्कुल काम नहीं करना चाहते, बिल्कुल कॉन्ट्रीब्यूटिव वो टेंडेंसी नहीं है, हार्ट नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है। इन लोगों को रखना भी हमको लगता है कि बर्डन है। सो दे हैव ह्यूज आईक्यूज, दे आर अमेजिंग। आईआईटीएन होगा तो दिमाग तो अच्छा ही है, लेकिन ईक्यू नहीं है, इमोशनल कोशंट नहीं है। They don't know how to stay in a leadership, how to contribute, how to help each other, how to have that motivation. कुछ नहीं है. Yeah. And that's when these people, he was saying, we struggle a lot dealing with them. Many, not all of them, some of them. So this is what happens. So always don't think कि हमेशा दिमाग बहुत अच्छा होगा तो मेरा बच्चे का दिमाग बहुत अच्छा होगा तो जीवन में वो बहुत बहुत कुछ कर पाएगा। ज्यादातर लोग कभी कभी बहुत इंटेलिजेंट पीपल कुछ नहीं कर पाते हैं बिकॉज उनमें ना लीडरशिप क्वालिटी नहीं होते हैं, लोगों के साथ मिलने, लोगों को हैप्पी रखने की क्वालिटी नहीं होता है, एडजस्ट करने की क्वालिटी नहीं होता है। सो ये सब चीज गिविंग क्वालिटी नहीं होता है। सो देन दोज पीपल दे सफर। So don't worry too much about IQ, work on the EQ. Yeah, this is again he's talking about. And he says personal, see, again it is coming to specialized knowledge में और क्या क्या होता है पता है? हमको like I am in spirituality since 23 years. Okay, still I reach out to Dr. Preeti for therapies. Okay, because I cannot do my therapies at the same time. कभी कभी second person की जरूरत होती है आपको एक दूसरा एंगल दिखाने का. Sometimes you are seeing life at one angle, another person comes and shows you life from another angle. It's not that you are dependent on that person or you think, oh, she's my everything, I will hear and I will believe in her. But you will listen and you will judge and you will then finally make a conclusion कि yeah, I think she's correct. Okay, this is what happens. I like when we go into therapy, almost half an hour, 1 hour, we talk. I talk, and then she said, yeah, I think we can think it also in this way. I said, yeah, I think we can also think in this way. Specialized knowledge is also this. Sometimes we think, hey, we can do everything on our own, but consulting, personal consultation is also a specialized knowledge, जहाँ पे मुझे लगता है कि हमको कभी कंसल्टेशन या फिर किसी से लेने में हमको लगता है कि I feel, oh, I think I am not good enough, that's why I have to take help from somebody. No, it's not like that. It's just that you are good enough, but sometimes इस एरिया में maybe that person can guide you a little bit even more, and why not take that guidance and understand it better? Yeah, so this is what happens. So therapies and everything, they are very good. This is also, here it is talking about personal consultation also falls under specialized knowledge. As for example, sleep therapy. Okay, I can understand therapies are costly, but even reaching out to me is also specialized knowledge, right? Even taking, when people are asking personal question, that is also specialized knowledge. Otherwise kya hai, I am giving a general answer here. Yeah, everybody is getting some answer, but in a general way. But you'll see most of the time, Mampi and Bhabi, they will ask questions. So when they are asking questions, they are getting a lot of benefit because they are getting answers specialized to their problem. So don't think that asking for help or consulting is a weakness. Actually, they are very intelligent. Mampi, Bodhi, they are extremely intelligent people. That's why they know that if I don't ask, I'm not going to get the exact answer to this problem, because I will be answering general. What I also have seen that, like, Mampi means Shubhra, I'm talking, she's my cousin. She'll also call up with a problem, and she'll say, this is my problem. And then because she tells me, that's why I tell you, friends, Nipa got a scolding from me because when she was not doing her work, later she let me know that, Didi, I'm going through so much of problem. Why can't you reach out to me telling that this is the problem, how to solve the problem, how can I work it? Yeah. So why is it so difficult to reach out? Because when I am there, I'm available for problem. You cannot reach out to me when you are getting a scolding and telling why is things not happening, and then you reach out and or just tell that, oh, ye mera problem hai. Hmm? That's why your problems also get delayed, because you are not getting specialized guidances for specific yourself, what you need to hear for your own life, the specific guidance for you. Yeah, that's why I tell people that please reach out. If you have problem, don't stay in your own, in your own well like that frog. Hmm? So this is what it is talking about. Specialized knowledge, specialized knowledge. It also talks about the same thing. Take guidance. Immediately problem में हो, आपको लग रहा है कि समझ में नहीं आ रहा है क्या करूं, देख रहे हो एक हफ्ता दो हफ्ता आपको मैं, can you imagine? I am a person who have been in this practice for 23 years. Still I reach out to Dr. Preeti and I say, okay, I think let's book an appointment, Dr. Preeti. I pay hell. She charges 6,000. Sometimes if it extends, 5,000. Sometimes if it extends, it extends to 6,000, 7,000. Sometimes because sometimes normally it's only 3 hours. Kabhi kabhi na, she knows that, oh no, I have to go deep, deep, deep. She will take me even deep. और 1 घंटा हो जाता है तो आई माई सेल्फ, शी डजंट आस्क, बट आई फील कि नहीं नहीं, मैंने उनका और थोड़ा टाइम ले लिया और 1-2 हजार में दे देती हूँ. But it is helping me so much. It is really and also at the same time I know that I cannot be totally dependent on her. The main food is me, my meditation, and then from that meditation I feel, no, I think I should go into a deep therapy now, and then I take one therapy. I take therapies in 40 days. I myself take therapies in 40 days. क्या प्रॉब्लम है, मैं तो खुद ही सॉल्व कर सकती हूँ मेरे. फिर भी मुझे लगता है कि फास्ट 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 अगर कुछ करना है, somebody has to guide me so that I can go deep. Okay, so this is what it is talking about, specialized knowledge. Okay, that it's not in this, I'm telling you, in every area. So I'm giving you all the ways of understanding why consultation, specialized knowledge, and all these things are so important. Okay, then yeah. And oh yeah, here it is talking about कि specialized knowledge में ना पैसे दो. बोले कि ज्यादातर लोग ना वैल्यू नहीं करते हैं if they are getting things for free. So it is better when you are taking any kind of specialized knowledge, pay. Because when you pay, you will put your whole attention in learning that subject. Huh? Oh my God. Friends, I'm so sorry. Okay. I think my YouTube subscription, the Zoom subscription has gone. It's saying that it will be over in 10 minutes. So again, join the same link in 10 minutes if it gets over, okay? And maybe by after the class, I will renew the subscription. इसलिए ये Zoom बंद हो जाएगा. Okay, so this is what it is talking about. Yeah, so experience advertising marketing. Yeah, so then it talks about imagination. Here it is, then it's like all of them are like just beautiful stories. Now they are all beautiful stories with how specialized knowledge and ये imagination दोनों मिला के बहुत सुंदर, we can create a beautiful life for ourselves and money for ourselves. So it's talking about Bill Gates. Bill Gates क्या था स्कूल में, his parents group, they organized a computer something, some class, and from there he developed a lot of interest in that area. उसके बाद तो उसको कुछ फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता है वो कौन से सब्जेक्ट में अच्छा है बुरा है क्या है, उसको कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. He is only focusing on focusing on computer. And that's when he kept focusing and he kept imagining also कि ऐसा होगा. Some people say it's never possible, but he kept imagining and visualizing कि it might be possible, let's try. So here comes the part of visualization, imagination, believing, which we can do it through meditation. Okay, then again there was another story of a lady who was बोल रही कि somebody asked for help from her कि can you create a bit of advertising for me, and she did it so well, and the person got a lot of help after the advertisement, that after that she started learning more about how to create advertisements more beautifully and everything, and charging a lot. And for whom she used to create advertisements, they're also business, and they're sometimes she used to make CVs also, beautiful CVs. And through that, she made CV for her own son. And by making and putting a lot of effort by creating, यहाँ पे देखो, she's saying हम लोग को लगता है इतना एफर्ट करने की क्या जरूरत है स्पेशलाइज्ड में. And here यहाँ पे she said that she asked her son, bring books from the libraries, and then she wrote a 50-page explanation, qualities of her son and everything, in a 50-page booklet. And that's what he used to take for company. And after that, she also now started getting a lot of other work through this. क्या है, she just learned even more better techniques of how to create advertisements, specialized in that area. That's all. And after that, she became so rich by doing that. And not just that, she said that, yeah, he said that her son, was, saved himself 10 years of and many promotions. He actually jumped 10 years above. He could have started from the scratch, but because of so much of hard work that she did, or specialized knowledge, or CVVV में इतना effort दिया कि he did not have had to start from scratch. He actually got a very high post directly from college itself. This is the beauty of what it says, is that when you put a little bit effort before, वो आपको नीचे से नहीं start करना पड़ता है. आप in one jump, you can go to higher levels. This is what it is talking about. Okay. Yeah. So that's what it is talking. So think about an idea. Any idea can bring lots of money in your life. इसीलिए हमको बोलते हैं कि ये आइडिया कहाँ से आएगा फ्रेंड्स. ये आइडियाज आएंगे डीप मेडिटेशन में, सेवा में, ट्रांसफॉर्मेशंस में. हम जब मेडिटेशन करेंगे, हम जब सेवा करेंगे, हम जब खुद ट्रांसफॉर्म होंगे, we will, and when we will meditate with an intention that, yeah, I want to do something in life, and I don't have a clarity, then these ideas will come to you, and you have to act on them as well, right? So this is the part where meditation comes, and it says that the idea could earn you an income far greater than that of the average doctor, lawyer, or engineer whose education required several years in college. बोल रही कि किसी का education several years के बाद he became a doctor, engineer, or somebody like that. But a single idea can make you earn much more than what they have done after years of learning. So this idea, this kind of intuitions, this kind of help and guidance from the universe, this is the part. Specialized knowledge तो हमको करना है, वो practical है. But ये जो ideas, imagination and all these things, this comes from the power of meditation, friends. Okay? Yes. Please share anything that you want to share, because in 10 minutes it will be over and then we will join. Yes, I want to hear from you. Anything? Specialized knowledge के बारे में, या फिर imagination, or how you would apply it in your life, anything. See, that's why I say that sometimes practical books, he's not just practical, he also talks about manifestation. Napoleon Hill, Think and Grow Rich. Think and Grow Rich का मतलब ही ये है कि how you think, you become. What you think, you become. So if you think rich, you will become rich. Okay. But at the same time, see, he's also giving practical knowledge of how to make sure. So yeah, tell me, how can you relate to it? Ruchi,
Yes,
Mampi,
Devi.
and
I was just thinking,
Bipasha, who can speak and who cannot speak can write.
I was just thinking that कि मैं इमेजिन तो करती हूँ बहुत कुछ, लेकिन I never,
सुनाई नहीं दिया.
मतलब मैं बोला मैं इमेजिन तो करती हूँ कि मुझे
हाँ.
ऐसा करना है, वैसा करना है, बट मुझे थोड़ा डर लगता है उसको प्रैक्टिकली पुट आउट करने में या रिस्क लेने में। मैंने आपको ये बात पहले भी कही थी कि लाइक मुझे वो थोड़ा एक डर है कि अगर मैं ऐसा करूंगी और फेल फेल हो गई तो वो फियर ऑफ फेलियर जो आपने कहा था, एंड आई एम वर्किंग ऑन इट।
हम्म
बट
हम्म हम्म हम्म
तो बट मुझे आज ये सीखने मिला कि वी शुड मतलब वी शुड
yeah
गो ahead एंड वी शुड डू इट।
yeah. And if you see that in Rich Dad Poor Dad, बोल रहे कि difference between rich people and poor people is that rich people take action,
यस दीदी।
poor people keep thinking.
Yes, मैंने उस क्लास में भी आपको ये बोला था कि वहाँ वो एक कभी भी आई एम ट्राइंग मतलब काफी
Yeah.
कुछ आई बट
Yeah,
इट विल
and they
टेक
say
टाइम
that
टू
poor people डरते ही रहते हैं, पैसा खो गया तो they have a fear of losing money, they have a fear of failure, and इसलिए कभी एक्शन ही नहीं ले पाते.
यस
Yeah. So here it's like, imagine, it's like wishful thinking. I think I was reading Deepak Chopra's Abundance. We will start with that again. He was saying wishful thinking, wishful thinking. There's a it's visualization and wishful thinking में difference है, रुचि समझ रहे हो? विशफुल थिंकिंग है कि
नहीं
कल
दीदी।
वो डे ड्रीमिंग कर रही हूँ मैं.
ओके
एंड
ओके
विजुअलाइजेशन इज आई एम बिलीविंग दैट दिस इज हैपनिंग. उसके बाद मुझे अगर कोई इंट्यूशन आ रहा है, मैं उस पर एक्ट करूंगी.
ओके दीदी। ओके दीदी।
ओके. यस 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 मम्पी.
हाँ, ऐसे तो मेरे बारे में नहीं है, हमेशा बेटे के बारे में ही है, आदि. सो
हम्म
उसका हम लोग असेसमेंट करते हैं एवरी ईयर. सो दिस ईयर दे आर प्लानिंग फॉर एन आईक्यू एग्जामिनेशन. सो मे बी
हम्म
नेक्स्ट ईयर, मतलब आफ्टर स्टार्टिंग 2026 दे विल डू द आईक्यू टेस्ट. सो
हम्म
ये आईक्यू बोलने के बाद मुझे थोड़ा वो डर लग रहा था कि आईक्यू होगा क्या होगा पता नहीं, इसका तो ऐसे भी लो ही होगा. तो अभी ये लगा कि नहीं, आईक्यू से नहीं, कुछ नहीं होता है, इट्स इमोशनल क्वोशंट. तो उसको उसमें हम लोग को डेवलप करना पड़ेगा ज्यादा. आईक्यू धीरे धीरे हो जाएगा. तो
आईक्यू
मुझे
हो
एक
जाएगा.
हमेशा. हम्म.
I've seen one of my friend from Denmark. Her and her brother. Her brother is an IITN pass out. Okay, and he's without job for the without job in the since the last 3 years. IITN pass out. 3 साल से बिना जॉब के हैं.